So I got the car back to the shed. Tried to restart it. Checked if there's any spark. There was no spark. Plugged in the OBD scanner, which also wouldn't show anything. I was hoping it would show an error, but unfortunately the screen would blank out. So I had to end up taking out the loom and once over it to see what the issue was. I stripped out all the covering tape to reveal all the wires. As you can see, the wires are very charred, originally from the O2 sensor short on the drive shaft from North Coast Rally 2020. You can see how far up it burnt through the cable back into the wiring loom. You can see here it even went deep enough into the wiring loom that it went through the grommet of the firewall and back into the loom on the other side. So I ended up cutting the O2 sensor cable off and going about resoldering some new wires onto it. I got this waterproof plug from J Carter, make sure that it was waterproof and there wasn't going to be any further shorts. Here's me soldering on the new wires with the new connector for the O2 sensor, which I used a new O2 sensor too, just to make sure. I fixed up any other cables, soldering on new wire to any other parts that I saw charred in the main loom, and then went about putting the loom with the fresh cables back into the car.
Yep.
As you can see, I got spark, but unfortunately no full combustion. So I went to go check whether the fuel pump was working, and there was definitely fuel getting pumped through to the fuel filter and out the top.